All right, our bronze division, Bronze Cup at the starting line. Last 4 races for the 20th Lake Bemidji Dragon Boat Festival. The Bronze Cup team across the line first will be your Bronze Cup champion, Lakeland PBS. They'll be in lane 1 closest to the shore. Fast and Florious, they're in lane 2. Affinity Plus Purple Paddlers, they're in lane 3. And the Dragon Divas furthest from the shore in lane 4. This is your Bronze Division Championship. There's the horn, and we are racing. Cup race winner is your Bronze Cup champion. Great start. All 4 races should be close.
And it's there. Winner take all.
It's winner, go home. And they're all approaching that first section set of buoys, completing that first 100 meters relatively close, and they should be, as their times reflect that, combined from the morning and afternoon session. And it's a tight race so far. Lanes 2 and 3 pretty close as they get through the second half of the second 100 meters as they are approaching the halfway mark. Your bronze division round, albeit early. Right now, lane 2. The Fast and Florious looking pretty good, as well as Lakeland PBS Paddlers and Affinity Plus Purple Paddlers. Dragon Divas out there in lane 4, keeping it competitive as well. The Divas, Fast and Florious, they won the Family Cup earlier this morning, our first cup of the day. The Lakeland PBS and Affinity Plus Purple Paddlers, but right now the Dragon Divas have pulled forward by a dragon head, but closely following, it's the Fast and Florious. They are all to and through. And here comes Lakeland PBS Paddlers. It's a 4-boat race to the finish. Bronze Cup on the line.
All right. They can hear you out there, so cheer them on. A 4-boat race. Who is going to take home the bronze? It's Dragon Divas in the lead. Can someone catch them? Lakeland PBS is coming up the most, although Affinity Plus Purple Paddlers are there too. This is going to be a photo finish. Wow, whoa, that is all 4 teams right there at the end. It looked like the Dragon Divas were able to hold on, but we'll wait to see what the officials say. Make sure, one, it's an official result. But wow, I mean, that's about as close of a 4-boat race as you can get.
Wow. And Fast and Florious had a great start early.
Yeah.
But it's that last 100 meters that can get you.
Yeah, Dragon Divas were able to barely hold on, it looks like, with 2:15.87, 2:16.09, 2:16.23, 2:17.80. That's how close this race was. Everybody within just less than 2 seconds. And the top 3 teams less than, a half a second apart between all 3 of them. Great race down the course there.
Silver Cup heading out.